Hello, now let's see how to get a route from the route catalog. So first you have to scroll down to the flight planning area on the right column as usual, and then you see the third choice is the route catalog. Just click on it, a new window opens, and it's quite straightforward. You have to fill up those fields, the departure and the destination. You can as well choose the date. By default you have the date, today's date, and the current time. So you can choose either today or tomorrow and change the time for your estimated off block time. So let's try from, let's say, London to Istanbul. And once you fill up the two fields, you just click the go button here on the right. And voila, you've got the list popping up on the window. So this page lists all the routes that match the provided city pair for the selected target date. You see that there are several columns: the route ID, CDR, I'll come back to that later, the distance of the route in nautical miles, and the route detail, the description of the route. You can sort by clicking on the title of the column. For example, if you want the shortest route first, you just click on NM, and you see that the distance is now ascending. In the CDR column, it shows the conditional routes. So it's either CDR1 or CDR2, and it sometimes shows ATS, which means that there is no conditional routes and it's always plannable. So I send you back to the IFPS user manual for the complete description of CDR1 and CDR2. Basically, the CDR1 routes may be available for planning. Their closures are published in the AAP and the AUP-UUP, while the CDR2 may not be available for planning. Their opening are also published in the AAP and the AUP-UUP.